right, welcome. So in this example, we're going to simplify some radical expressions. These are both square root expressions. So part A says simplify square root of 144. Okay, so we're looking for a number that if I square it, so square root is kind of the reverting to the squaring operation. So what number squared gives me 144? So this is 12. Right, so this is our answer. All right, for part B, we have negative outside the radical sign, square root of 289. All right, so the square root in PEMDAS, in the order of operation, you do the square root part first, and then you multiply by the negative. All right, so we get the square root of 289. What number squared gives me 289? This is 17. So the answer is negative 17. I usually don't use the parentheses, but the squaring part comes before the negative. So you do the radical part first. Right? If you can't remember that 17 squared is 289, use your calculator. Right? So you can use a calculator. There is a calculator that has a square root symbol somewhere. Sometimes it's by itself. Sometimes is above. You might have a button that has the x squared symbol, and above it is like a square root sign. You might have to use the shift or the second button. So at the top of your calculator, you might have a second button, and you click that first and then this, or you might have a shift button. All right. And you might have to hit that and then the square root. So it kind of depends on your calculator, okay? But make sure to use the square root instead of like the square button. So try it out.